Hey everyone! Today I have something truly exciting to share with you. Raja Azmat Ali is making a remarkable comeback, and it's causing waves in the world of journalism and politics. For those who don't know, Raja Azmat has been a relentless fighter for the rights of journalists for over 5 years. During the challenging times of the corona crisis, he stepped in when journalists were being expelled from press clubs. Thanks to his efforts, over 400 journalists found support and solidarity. But that's not all. Raja Azmat has always been a friend to those in need, offering unwavering support to his peers. On August 14th, the Rawalpindi Journalists Association and Islamabad Journalists Association are set to raise their voices for independence. And guess who's leading the charge? Raja Azmat Ali himself. As a working journalist, Raja Azmat knows the struggles firsthand. He's faced opposition from media owners, but has always stood firm on his principles. This has earned him the complete backing of media worker organizations. Now, why is his return so significant? The journalists of Rawalpindi and Islamabad view him as a beacon of hope. His rapport with state institutions in Pakistan is unparalleled, and these institutions play a critical role in the politics of the National Press Club. Raja Azmat Ali's comeback is a game changer. It's a beacon of hope for all journalists striving for independence and recognition. So mark your calendars for August 14th and get ready to witness a powerful movement. That's all for today. It's a beacon of hope. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. So mark your calendars for August 14th and get ready to witness a powerful movement. That's all for today.